way or? Okay.
No, you're good on the
Okay, Nico's a little hesitant, but it's his first big snow. Oh, almost tripped on myself. Nico, what do you think? You have something you want to say to the camera?
Hmm?
All right, let's go out a little bit. What do you think, buddy? Want to get down? Oh, he's like, I want to get down and go inside. Come here, remember? The little spot? He wants it. What do you think? Let me hold you. Let me hold you. What do you think? You don't like it? It's too wet. All right, let's go. Ready? Here we go. Ready? Oh, he's thinking about it. Well, this is a slower walk-in than before.
Meanwhile.
Boing. Delphine, you want to come out in the snow for